Okay, so let's talk about extensions. The first extension that you're going to do is the AMZ Pro extension, and I'm not going to hide it from you. I would appreciate if you use the link. So look in the description below. It's going to say friend referral link. You click on that link, copy it actually, because I think you have to copy it and paste it. Let me show you how to do that. So you're going to have your video, and under your video is going to be a description. Just go in the description below and you're going to have a link that looks something like this. I can't do it because I'm from the instructor's point of view. You're going to copy it by highlighting it, and then you're going to right click and paste it. And this is what you do. You highlight it, right click on it, copy it, then you'd come up here and paste it in the ad. It's called the address bar. So then you push enter, and it's going to take you to a landing page on AMZSCOUT. You're going to want this Pro extension for Chrome. Chrome is the search engine, so it's Google Chrome, like Safari, Explorer, Firefox. That's not what this extension is for, so you need to go to Chrome or Google search engine. So right now I have it on Chrome, so I'm going to show you how to actually remove an extension. And up here, these three little dots in the top right corner, that's how you find your extensions. Like you would go, this is another way you could get it. You could go to more tools and then scroll down and go to extensions. But I appreciate if you use my actual link, because you know I get a couple dollars from that. I'm already a Amazon Scout. I already have an account, but I'm going to show you. If you want to do it free, you can just plug your email into there, or you can click on this Pro extension for Chrome. So it takes you to this section. You just click add to Chrome and then add extension, and it's going to plug it up here. These are all extensions. And so what an extension is basically an assistant or a buddy or like a secretary or whatever you want to call it. So you can see that it just popped up right there. And what the Amazon Pro extension does is what I showed you earlier, that it's also going to have like a little circle down here, and it's going to help you find products that gives you all the information. There's the little Pro extension circle. It takes it from here and throws it down into the corner, so it's really easy to pop in. So you can see that it's already analyzing my page that I was on, plugged in beach towels, and we'll just see what pops up. But that's how you plug in the extension and how the extension works. Go to the next video. I have a few more extensions to teach you and show you how to install and use. Alright, so to get to this page, look in the description below if you haven't done so already. Copy and paste the link and paste it up here in the top. So what do I mean? You're just going to take your cursor over what's in my description, right click on it, copy. You're going to come up here, open a new tab, right click, paste. And that's one way to do it. So what that's going to take you to is here, and you're going to scroll down all the way to the bottom, and you're going to click on the FBA fees calculator. So what does the FBA fee calculator do? It tells you how much you're going to profit. So it takes the guesswork out of, am I going to make money, and how much money am I going to make? Okay, so you plug in your email and you click get the full version for free. So this is one of their free options, and a lot of software do this kind of thing, so you get the idea what their software is and you get trust. You build up a relationship, you use their stuff, and then you upgrade to the next level, like the seller's bundle. If you want to know how it works, you can click this video, but I'm going to show you how to add it to your Chrome. So it's just like the other extension, the Amazon Pro. You just click on add to Chrome and then click add extension. And then I just will use it really quick and show you how it is going to work. So if you don't see your extension up here, what you want to do is click on this little puzzle piece. It'll show your extensions. Like, it doesn't always pin everything there, so like that'll unpin it from the top if you click on the blue and make it blue. So I'm going to pin both of my AMZSCOUT extensions so I can see them. So let's just take, this is just a landing page that I found right now. Let's just take this epic daily deal, which would be a fantastic thing to list, and I'm going to click on that, click on an individual product, and that's how you find and use the calculator. So I'm going to go back up here to the extension at the top. I'm going to click on the calculator, which is this little icon right here. It pops up the calculator and it's showing me what my profits would be. So at this price, probably not gonna make as much selling it on Amazon, but if I take this and I grab the actual address here on Amazon, I copy it, and then I paste it to DSMTOOL, and I'll actually do an actual listing for you. I paste it in here. I'm going to import it. It's going to push it to my eBay store. It's going to plug it into my eBay store, and I'm going to price it like $139. So what you can see if you put the honey extension on, which I hope you did, is it'll give you what the prices have been. So I would only list this for like a day since it's only a daily deal. I'm going to close that. But you can see this is tailored for selling on Amazon, but remember, I'm teaching you how to drop ship to eBay. So I would take that product, plug it into eBay, and sell it on eBay since it's dropped like that much money in a day. So it's a good deal. So that's how you would use the calculator. You can see like all the fees that are calculated, what your monthly sales would be. And as a drop shipper, which nobody's doing it this way, you can take this information that they're talking about, that if you sold it on Amazon, and you can use this information to plug it into eBay. Again, I also have the eBay calculator. I will put that in the description below as well. So check out the eBay calculator if you're not sure what this really means, and plug in those statistics and the information on how much it would cost, etc., and how much the eBay fees, because they are going to be a little bit different. That way you can see what the profit would be, and I will show you in a video how to do that next.